Hello, kids. This pan is very hot. Hot things can burn our hands. Please stay away from hot objects and stay safe in the kitchen. Hello, little stars. The floor is wet and slippery. I will walk slowly and carefully. Always walk carefully on a wet floor to stay safe. Hello, kids. These tools are sharp. Sharp objects can hurt our fingers. Always stay away from sharp objects and tools.
Hi friends, wires and sockets are not toys. They can give us a shock. Please stay away from wires and sockets.
Hi little stars. This box is very heavy. Heavy objects can fall down. Please stay away from heavy objects. Hello children. Windows are not for climbing. We can fall and get hurt. Do not climb on windows and sills. Stay safe at home.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning about safety at home, so we can stay happy and safe every day. Children, always stay away from hot objects like a pan, stove, because hot things can burn our hands. Next children, when the floor is wet, please walk slowly and carefully, because a wet floor can make us slip and fall. Look at the wall sockets and wires. Please stay away from wires and sockets, because electricity can give us a shock. Children, sharp objects and tools like scissors and knives are not toys, so always stay away from sharp objects and tools. Children, big and heavy things can fall down, so stay away from heavy objects and do not play near shelves. Very important children, do not climb on windows and windowsills, because we can fall and get badly hurt.
Hello children, I am number 57. Let's count the ice cream balloons together. 1, 2, wow, there are 57. I come after 56 and before 58. Hello children. I am number 58. Let's count the stars slowly, keep going, and stop at 58. I come after 57.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn number 57 and number 58 together. Look at the page. First look at this big number. This is 57. 57 comes before 58 and after 56. Now look at the ice creams. Let us count the ice cream pictures slowly. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting and stop at 57. Very good. There are only 57 ice creams on the page. Now look here, children. This big number is 58. 58 comes before 59 and after 57 while we count numbers. Let us count the colorful stars one by one. Do not hurry. Keep counting nicely and stop at 58. Very good. There are 58 stars on the page. Great job today, little learners.
Hello children, look carefully, must never run behind a running vehicle. The driver may not see us and it can be dangerous. Always stay on the footpath and keep yourself safe.
Hello little friends. The road is for vehicles, not for playing. If we play on the road, we can get hurt. Always play in a park or playground where it is safe.
Hello children. When we travel in a car, we must sit properly. Never put your head or hand outside the window. It can be very dangerous. Always keep your hands inside and wear your seatbelt.
Hello children. Never hide behind or under a vehicle. The driver may not see you and it can cause an accident. Always play in open, safe spaces.
Hello little stars, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn something very important that keeps us safe every single day. This chapter is about road safety. Children, rule 1. Do not run behind a running vehicle. This is very dangerous. The driver may not see you and you might get hurt. Do not play on the road. The children are playing on the road. Roads are only for vehicles, not for playing. Rule 3. Do not stick your head or hand out of a vehicle window. This is very risky. Do not hide behind or under a vehicle, children. Hiding behind or under a vehicle is extremely dangerous. Very good, children.
Hello children, look at the score side of the stadium. Wow, so many footballs are here. Can you see this side has more balls? Yes, this side has more footballs. Great job, everyone.
Hello children, now look at this side carefully. Oh, only a few footballs are here. Can you tell me? Yes, this side has less balls. Very good, children.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a very fun and easy maths concept called more and less. Children, look at these balls carefully. When we see many balls together, we say it is more. More means a greater number of balls. Now children, look at the other group of balls. When we see only a few balls, we say it is less. Less means a smaller number of balls. Balls are used for playing games like football and cricket. We play with balls in the playground, in school, and at home. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 59. I come after 58 and before 60. Look carefully. Here are 59 beautiful flowers. Let us count them together and see how big my number is.
Hello, children. I am number 60. I come after 59 and before 61. Look here. I have 60 colorful sticks. I am bigger than 59 because I have more objects.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn number 59 and number 60 together. Look at the page. Now look here, children. This big number is 59, comes before 60 and after 58. While we count numbers, let us count the flowers pictures slowly. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting and stop at 59. Very good. There are only 59 flowers on the page. Now look at number 60. It comes after 59 and before 61. 60 is bigger than 59 because it has one more. Let us count the colorful lollipops one by one. Do not hurry. Keep counting nicely. And stop at 60. Very good. There are 60 lollipops on the page. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. I love eating healthy food like fruits and vegetables. They make my body strong and full of energy. Yum, yum. Healthy food keeps me happy all day. Wow, I feel thirsty. Drinking plenty of water keeps my body fresh and active. Splash, splash, water is my best friend. Too much screen time is not good for my eyes. I will watch less and play more. Let's give our eyes some happy rest. Running, jumping, and playing keeps me strong. I exercise every day for at least 1 hour. Let's move our bodies and stay fit. Brush, brush, brush. I clean my teeth in the morning and before bed. Clean teeth make my smile bright and beautiful. Being kind makes everyone happy. I share my toys and speak sweet words. Kindness is the best habit ever. After a busy day, I sleep on time. Good sleep gives me energy for tomorrow. Sweet dreams make me strong. Rub, 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 rub with soap and water. I wash my hands before eating and after playing. Clean hands keep germs away.
After working hard, I relax and take deep breaths.
Relaxing makes my mind calm and happy. Yummy snacks are fun sometimes, but not every day. I choose healthy food most of the time to stay fit and active. Splash, splash. I take a bath every day to stay clean and fresh. Clean body, happy me. Splash, splash. I take a bath every day to stay clean and fresh. Clean body, happy me. Safety first, always. I wear my helmet and follow rules while playing. Safe kids are smart kids.
That's right, buddy. We're so proud.
Yes, always be safe.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about healthy and clean habits. These habits help us grow strong, stay active. Look at this picture, children. We should eat healthy food like fruits, vegetables, milk, and home-cooked meals. Water is very important for our body. We must drink enough water every day to stay fresh and active. Watching too much television or using the computer for a long time is not good for our eyes and health. Physical activity keeps our body fit and strong. We should run, jump, play outdoor games. We must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Cleaning our teeth keeps them strong. Being kind means speaking politely, sharing with friends, and helping others. Our body needs proper rest. We should sleep on time and get enough sleep every night. We must wash our hands with soap before eating and after using the toilet or playing outside. Relaxing is also important. After studying or playing, we should take some quiet time to rest our mind. Junk food and sweets can be eaten sometimes, but not every day. Too much junk food can harm our health. Taking a bath every day keeps our body clean and fresh. It removes dirt and germs from our skin. While studying or playing, we must always follow safety rules. Being careful keeps us safe from injuries. Very good, children.
Hello, kids. I am number 10. Look at me. I am made with 1 and 0 together. My name is 10. Yay! I am happy you learned number 10. Hello, kids. We are cute muffins. Let's count us together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 muffins.
You did a great job counting us.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn the number 10. Look carefully, children. This is the number 10. We write it as 1 and 0 together. Number 10 comes after number 9 while we count numbers. Now, children, look at these cute muffins. Muffins is sweet dessert. We eat muffins in party or in special moments. And let us count them together. Let's count muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good, children. There are 10 muffins. Great job, children.